Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a chair in Blender. Basically, you're gonna be needing some minutes. Alright, so add a cube, and now once you add a cube, make sure to scale it down. Right, just like this. And now go to edit mode, but before you can press Ctrl A to apply the scale. Once you apply the scale, press Ctrl R, of course, in edit mode to make a loop cut. And now once you do this, you can extrude this part on the Z-axis. And while this is selected, press G and then Z to move it just like this. Alright, so once you do all that, you can make two additional loop cuts by pressing Ctrl R and using your mouse's scroll wheel, and then press GZ again and move it just like this. Alright, so once you have all that, you can press Ctrl B. Hold on, Ctrl B to bevel it, so you can have some geometry for your chair. So once you do that, you can now add additional loop cuts here, and basically we're gonna be making chair legs as we always made for any chairs, of course. So now make sure to extrude down to your liking, and what you can do to maybe make them look better is basically add some bevels by pressing Ctrl B. So once you do all that, make sure to shade auto smooth, and voila, that's your chair in Blender. I mean, even though I haven't really made any textures, you can do that. So before you do anything, just press here on new, well, materials, and make it black or blackish, however you like it. Let's make it basically grayish and more metallic for this up part here. And what you can do now is basically go to wireframe, select all of this, make sure it's selected, and now what you need to do is basically make a new material and, I don't know, maybe simulate some like wooden color, or you can just download a texture and paste it there. So yeah, that's pretty much our chair in Blender. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!